Start with part C numerical of third chapter. So let us start. A body of mass 5 kg is moving with velocity of 2 meter per second. Calculate its linear momentum. Okay. Mass of the body m is equal to 5 kg. Velocity is 2 meter per second. Linear momentum is mass into velocity. Mass is 2 and mass is 5 and velocity is 2. So 5 2s are 10 kg meter per second. Next one, a force of 15 Newton acts on a body of mass 2 kg. Calculate acceleration produced. ठीक है, we are knowing from second law of motion F is equals to ma. So we have to find out acceleration. So acceleration is what? F upon m. First of all, write the given values. Force has been given as 15 Newton. Mass क्या है 2 kg. So value substitute कर दो. A is equals to 15 upon 2. We'll be getting 7.5 meter per second square. Calculate the magnitude of the force which when applied on a body of mass 0.5 kg produces an acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Mass क्या है 0.5 kg. Acceleration is what? 5 meter per second square. F is equals to m upon a, m into a. So value substitute करो, you will be getting the answer. Next one. A force acts for 10 seconds on a stationary body of mass 100 kg, after which the force ceases to act. Okay, the body moves through a distance of 100 meter in next 5 seconds. Calculate the velocity acquired. We have to find out the velocity acquired. Okay, mass has been given, that is 1000 kg. Distance moved is what? 100 meter. Time also we are knowing 5 seconds. Okay, initial velocity is equals to 0. Velocity we have to find out. We are knowing the formula. Velocity is what? Distance moved upon time taken. So distance moved is 100 meter and time taken is 5 seconds. So we'll be getting 20 meter per second. Next one, we have to find out acceleration. ठीक है, so we'll be using second equation of motion. Second equation of motion use करेंगे. V square, देखिए second equation क्यों use कर रहे हैं? Try to understand. Over here what all terms we are knowing? यहाँ पे we are knowing distance traveled, we are knowing velocity, initial velocity as well as final velocity also we are knowing. So therefore we are using second equation of motion. Acceleration find करना है, so it will be a is equals to v square minus u square upon 2s. Value substitute कर दो, u is equals to 0. So we'll be getting acceleration as 2 meter per second square. Force is also been asked. Force का क्या formula है? m into a. Acceleration भी पता है, m भी पता है. So after substituting we'll be getting 200 Newton. Next one. A force acts for 0.1 second on a body of mass 2 kg. Initially at rest. Initially at rest means u is equal to 0. Force is then withdrawn and the body moves with a velocity of 2 meter per second. Find the magnitude of force. Force भी निकालना है. Okay. Now first of all we will write the given thing. Mass क्या दिया है? 2 kg. Time क्या है? 0.1 second. Okay. Body starts from rest means u is equal to 0 and body is having velocity, final velocity is 2 meter per second. ठीक है. Acceleration first of all, देखिए force directly नहीं find कर सकते हैं because force is equal to m into a. Even if mass we are knowing, we are not knowing acceleration. ठीक है. Acceleration first of all we have to find out. So acceleration के लिए we will be using first equation of motion. उससे हमें ये equation मिलता है a is equals to v minus u upon t. So v is 2, time क्या है 0.1, so we'll be getting 20 meter per second square. अभी force निकाल सकते हैं, that is m into a, that is 2 into 20, we will be getting 40 Newton. Next one, a car of mass 480 kg moving at a speed of 54 km per hour is stopped by applying brakes of 10 seconds. Brakes in 10 seconds. Calculate the force. Okay, again we are not knowing acceleration directly. First of all we have to find out force. Okay, we will be writing the given one. Mass क्या है 480. Initial velocity is 54 km per hour is stopped by applying brakes. मतलब final velocity क्या रहेगा? 0. Time is what? 10 seconds. So value substitute करो. A is equals to v minus u upon t. अभी v के जगह 0 आएगा. Okay, 0 minus 15 upon 10. So we will be writing minus 1.5 meter per second square. But it is negative as brakes has been applied. It is retardation. But in case of f, we will not, for finding the force, we will not be writing the value of negative acceleration. We will be taking positive acceleration only. So it will be 480 into 1.5. So we'll be getting 720 Newton. Next one. A force causes an acceleration of 10 meter per second square in a body of mass 500 gram. What is acceleration caused by the same force acting on it? We have to find out acceleration. ठीक है. अभी यहाँ पे let the force be F. Force F we are assuming. Okay, first of all we will be finding the value of force. Acceleration has been given, that is 10 meter per second square. Mass के 500 gram. We will be converting gram into SI kg. So 500 upon 1000 we will be getting 0.5 kg. F is equals to m into a. Force मिल गया. Okay. Now we have to find out what change in acceleration. Sorry. We have to find out acceleration. What is the change in acceleration if same force is applied to a body of 5 kg. Okay, we have to find out change in acceleration. So a dash is a change in acceleration is equals to F upon m dash. M dash is a change in mass. So force kya hai? 5. We are applying same force. Okay, so it is 5 upon 5. We will be getting 1 meter per second square. Next one. A body of mass 500 gram initially at rest is acted upon by a force which causes it to move a distance of 4 meter in 2 seconds. Calculate the force applied. F we have to find out. Mass दिया हुआ है 500 ग्राम है, so we will be converting, we will be getting 0.5 kg. We will be using now second equation of motion. Okay, because we will have to find out now acceleration. Okay, distance we are knowing, after applying force it has traveled a distance of 4 meter. Okay, over here we are what we are knowing, we are not knowing v. Okay, we are only knowing s pata hai, we are knowing s, we are knowing u as well. Okay, so we will be substituting. Distance of the object moved is 4 meter. Sub value substitute kar do. 4 is equals to 0 into 2 into half a t square. Time kya hai? 2 seconds. Time is what? 2 seconds. So after substituting we will be getting the value of acceleration as 2. F is equals to m into a. 0.5 into 2 is equals to 1 Newton. Thank you.